outward work of the famous fashion designer, but what many of you may not know is that he also runs a non-profit called Siksha Foundation, and immediately from yesterday he has been raising money through Siksha Foundation and has been using, I think, the visibility that he's always been using it for a good cause, but now he's also used it for this opportunity, so I'm going to pass it.
तपाईँहरूले सबैभन्दा पहिला मेरो नमस्ते अनि I know it's a very difficult time for all of us here and back home in Nepal. I just started a foundation, fundraising with using my foundation, and the 100% of the all the funds is going to the disaster relief there. We've been able to, in matter of like 48 hours, we've been able to raise $135,000 plus, and it's going. We've had a great support from Zuna, from the platform that I have and the connection that I've had, everyone from the creative community, from whether it's from Hollywood or Bollywood to fashion industry, and the CFDA, the Council of Fashion Designers of America, just committed $10,000 to the fund again. So basically, my commitment is to keep on doing this. This is immediate, like a necessity, and my goal is to, and my promise and my goal is to continue doing this, because the rebuilding is not going to, it's going to last for a very, very long time. And I'm very glad that Luna and everyone, all of you guys are here. I came here to pray. I didn't even come here to talk, but I came here to pray. Kinabani, collectively, I think the power of prayer is incredible. And all I want to say is, Mamare pani mero desh bachirohoस्.
धन्यवाद प्रबल गुरुङ जी।